Someone who runs into the supermarket, grabs what you need, and out the door you go? Or do you sort of mosey down the aisle to see what's new? Well, no matter which category you fall into, with June being Dairy Month, there is no better time to spend a few extra minutes to check out all the new and exciting finds in the dairy aisle. One of the biggest sections that has continued to grow is the yogurt section. It seems this year there are more flavors and pack sizes than ever, including plant-based options. And if you're a cheese lover, you'll find everything from creamy as can be cheese slices to bricks that are ideal for nibbling or making sauces. The shredded options are an easy way to make any dish ooey and gooey. Of course, there are the staples. Butter, which is ideal for cooking and baking, to easy as can be tubs that will ensure us the perfect schmear. If you're a coffee lover, there are more ways to lighten it up and flavor it than ever. Or if you prefer juice, you'll be blown away with all the blends that are good for sipping or teaming with your favorite adult beverage. So to salute this month, I've whipped up a cheesecake that brings many of these must-haves together. So right after the news, go online and get the recipe for our new lemon ricotta cheesecake that's decadently irresistible. And while you pick up the ingredients, mosey down the dairy aisle and discover a few new finds of your own. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we've discovered a dairy delicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.